Would you like to reduce your tire repair costs by as much as 90%? Could you be more productive with less equipment downtime and man-hours lost due to flat tires? Would you like to reduce new tire purchases by making the tires you own last between 20% and 50% longer? One product lets you easily achieve these results: Polaris Premium Tire Sealant. Polaris Premium Tire Sealant seals all sources of air loss, helping maintain proper air pressure for the life of the tire. Polaris Premium Tire Sealant seals 1/4 inch to 3/8 inch tread punctures in standard tires. Polaris Premium Tire Sealant seals 1/2 inch to 5/8 inch punctures in industrial tires. Polaris Premium Tire Sealant seals up to 3/4 inch punctures in large, heavy ply industrial tires. Polaris Premium Tire Sealant also seals bead, rim, small weather cracking, and porosity leaks. Underinflation is the #1 killer of tire life. The lifetime proper inflation provided by Polaris Premium Tire Sealant increases tread life, promotes even tread wear, increases traction, and keeps the bead properly seated, increases casing durability, increases fuel economy, and keeps your equipment working hard with a smoother ride. Polaris Premium Tire Sealant is easily installed through the valve stem once the valve core is removed. As a tire spins, centrifugal force spreads the sealant over all the inner surfaces of the tire and rim. Polaris Premium Tire Sealant remains liquid for the life of the tire, and adhering agents keep the sealant suspended in place even after the tire stops spinning. Air pressure in the tire forces the sealant into any leaks in the tire, rim, or bead. The flexing of the rubber as the tire is used continues to pack fibers into the leaks, creating a permanent flexible plug that lasts for the life of the tire. Cheap sealants break down and separate inside the tire and can cause rust and corrosion on wheels. Polaris Premium Tire Sealant has rust and corrosion inhibitors. It remains liquid for the life of the tire and can easily be rinsed off of a tire or rim with water. Polaris Premium Tire Sealant is environmentally friendly. It is EPA approved for municipal disposal and keeps tires out of landfills. Polaris Premium Tire Sealant. One-time application, lifelong tire protection.